Follow the yellow grass ants. Follow the yellow grass ants. Follow, 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 follow the yellow grass ants. Good morning everyone and happy National Science Week. I'm sitting here outside NRAM, the New England Regional Art Museum, and behind me are some insect hotels which we built a few weeks ago, and we've been waiting for some insects to move in. Hopefully some pollinators, but most importantly ants. So this morning we've just come to see if we've got any residents in our insect hotels, whether it be in the bark or the grass or in our bonkers. We've got another one over there, and we've got some drill holes in here to see if any pollinators or native bees might nest in there. Nothing yet. I'm here at the New England Regional Art Museum. We've just launched Little Things That Run the World, a project highlighting the importance of ants in ecosystems around the world, but also Australian ants, and kids get a chance to make ants in the nest behind me and here. And we've also got an ant blitz, which is using School of Ants protocols, which you'll do, to actually look at the health of a reforestation. Hi, my name's Dr. Kirsty Abbott and I run School of Ants based here at University of New England in Armidale, New South Wales. You've just seen our insect hotels and the installation of the ant nest that we launched at the New England Regional Art Museum yesterday as part of our National Science Week event. It was a lot of fun, and over the next 9 weeks citizens and anyone can come in and grow our colony with stickers and make ants and take a walk to the insect hotels and see if ants have started nesting in our building materials there. So it's been quite exciting for School of Ants up here, and we've got an ant blitz collecting ants and looking at ants as bioindicators of ecosystem health at the Armidale Tree Group in another month as well. But today, before you embark upon your School of Ants journey, and thank you for collecting data for us, I'd like to share a quote with you from two ant researchers, E.O. Wilson from America and Bert Holdobler from Germany, two famous ant researchers in fact that have dedicated their lives to finding out about ants and all sorts of information, from their social dynamics to their communication to their species number, type, and describing new species all over the world. And they said in 1990 in a book called The Ants, which is still the premier book in depth and breadth on ants, they said, ants are everywhere but only occasionally noticed. They are the premier soil turners. They run much of the terrestrial world. They're channelers of energy, and they're the dominatrices of the insect fauna. You know, when you're watching your ant cards today, on the Frankfurt, the Scotch finger biscuit, and the sugar solution on your cotton ball, you'll notice lots of ants there. You'll notice worker ants, and you'll only notice worker ants. You won't see queens, and you won't see males. Every ant you will see today is female. That might surprise you, but in fact you may never see a male ant in your life. And all the ants put together weigh more than all the humans put together in the world, and so that's a lot of females in the world. There's more females than anything, seeing as though there's that many ants. By putting out your little card with the 3 types of food, you're doing a small experiment to essentially look at what foods ants in your area, dominant ants in your area, like to eat. Do they like sugar? Do they like protein? Or do they like fats and lipids at this time of year where you are? And it's a small experiment. But by doing that and collecting the specimens and sending them to us, you're also taking part in a larger survey looking at the diversity and distributions of ants across Australia. So a very broad spatial and temporal pattern will emerge, looking at what species are where and what they like to eat. And that's drilled down into by the experiment. Gone. So you've got to get it in a bag. So broad-scale surveys like you're doing, and also nitty-gritty experiments, are both ways of doing science, part of the scientific process. And keep in mind while you're doing all this that science is all about answering questions. So as you watch your ants, as you watch their interactions, as you think about what they're doing, you might come up with some questions of your own, and I would encourage you to write them down, because as you learn more and think more about how you might answer these questions, you can do some science of your own on ants. It might be quite exciting to get outside during summer when there's lots of ants around, and I'm sure you will notice them more than just occasionally. So good luck with your School of Ants protocol today. Don't let any lizards or birds get your food on the cards, that would be really bad. And be very careful and as accurate as you can in counting the number of ants that are on your food sources. There might be lots if it's a very warm day. Happy National Science Week. Get out there and enjoy an event near you. And that's all from me. Over and out from School of Ants. Have a good day.